Hey everybody, it's Shannon with Fiber Mountain. I'm here with Andrew from Alliance Technology Group. We're here at their demo center. Andrew, why don't you go ahead and tell us a little bit about what Alliance does?
We're an IT services and solutions provider from your small business to your large hyperscale data centers. We serve both the private and public sectors. And today we're going to look at your Fiber Mountain solution that we've recently installed here at our demo center.
Wonderful. Let's go take a look.
Hey everybody, it's Shannon. I'm back here with Andrew. Now we're in their state-of-the-art demo center here in Baltimore area. We got some of our solution deployed here. As you can see, we've got fibers running through it, helping to track and trace all the connectivity through this particular demo center. Okay, so let's step out here and take a look at one of these panels we got opened up. So a couple more things about our panels I want to show you real quick. We track and trace, like I mentioned, all of our fibers. So every time something's plugged in, every time something's removed, we know about it. We're going to tell you about it. Not only here, but on our software. Another thing, we digitally label all of our fibers, so we are able to track and trace every individual thing about it. Okay, so Andrew, why don't you tell the folks a little bit about how you can help them out?
Absolutely. We at Alliance are a certified partner with Fiber Mountain. If you need any help with design and integration of any IT services or solutions, reach us at alliance-it.com.